Okay guys, welcome to this video. In this video I wanted to talk about how to get started in SMMA from scratch with $0. Okay, yes, actually zero. I'm going to take you step by step on how to do this in 2025. As we're coming up to the end of the year of 2024 and starting the new year, I thought I would do a fresh start because I didn't see a lot of videos on how to actually start your SMMA agency for free, because a lot of people say it's for free and at the end of the day they do use some paid stuff. So I'm going to do and show you how to do it completely for free. Mind you, it will take a lot of work from you because obviously paid stuff just save you a lot more time. So do bear that in mind. Okay, so let's get started. So here's how I would start an SMMA from scratch with $0 in 2025. Here's what we're going to cover today. First off, we're going to create an offer. Second, we're going to drive leads with that offer. Then we're going to convert with the lead magnet. And then we're going to grow your business because obviously over there we're going to make money. So let's get started. Create an offer. So pick a high ticket service we can sell. So it can be paid ads, it can be copywriting, website or funnel building, etc. Okay, everything that is a high ticket offer, because right now what we're trying to do is we're trying to get customers in the door. We don't have an offer, we don't know what we're doing right now, and what we're trying to focus on is getting more money. And getting money needs to be a high ticket offer, because if we're selling, let's say we're doing drop shipping, and in dropshipping, if you know the subject, obviously dropshipping is selling products that you got from AliExpress, Alibaba, all that kind of stuff, and selling them direct into the customers once they buy from our Shopify store. But for that reason, we don't want to do that, because obviously Shopify stores have not just low conversion rate because of all the competition, but also like low margins, okay, because we're selling a product at max maybe $120, but in here we're trying to do high ticket services, so we can charge $1,000, $5,000, maybe even $10,000 services, okay. And it has been proven, and a lot of people are suggesting to start an SMMA. If you can see Ty Lopez, for example, which he stated back in 2016, he started doing SMMA programs, and up until this day he actually still is doing them. So it works, okay? SMMA still work. It's not oversaturated. You just need to be niching down a little bit more, and I'll talk about it as well. So pick a service. Okay, we will go with paid ads, just because this is what I do, this is what I love to do, and I truly believe paid ads is a very good service which you can charge a lot of money for. So niching down to charge more money. So let's say we're picking paid ads, so we can do paid ads for plastic surgeons or for real estate agents, because if you're, let's say, getting a customer for a plastic surgeon, that customer can spend maybe $5,000 or $10,000 like on breast implants, right? Real estate agents, if you're getting customers for real estate agents, obviously it will cost you more money than, let's say, drop shipping, but obviously the margin here is huge, right? You were selling a house. So see why picking high ticket service is way better. Okay, we can just get less customers, less headache, and make more money overall. So niching down to charge more money. Pick your niche. Make sure your niche is very, very specific. So for this instance, paid ad for plastic surgeon, let's say in California. Okay, as you can see, I also niche down by location. So just make sure you're very niche down, very honed down on your niche. Okay, this is step number 2. Then we're going to create a value-driven offer. So we're going to use the 4 value-drivens. And if you don't know what's those, I highly recommend checking my school community, which I talk all about it. But let's just walk over briefly on here. So we have 4 value drivers. Okay, value drivers are basically things that we do to create value. Okay, so first off, the dream outcome. Dream outcome is what they actually want to achieve. So what do they want? What is their goal? Okay, so in this instance, getting customers. Okay, likelihood of achievement. How likely are they to achieve what you said you're going to achieve them? So if you have testimonials, if you run paid ads before to customers, you can show that as well to make your offer more credibility. Okay, you can just create more credibility around your offer, showing that you already done what you said you were going to do. Time delay. Okay, time delay. How long does it take for your customers to achieve their goal? If your goal was 5 clients for your customers, are they going to achieve those 5 clients in the next 30 days, 60 days, 90 days? Make sure you stay that out. Okay. Effort and sacrifice. What do your customers have to do to get the result? Do they have to do something? Do they have to invest money? Do they have to do nothing maybe? Okay, all of that is they need to make into consideration, because obviously as you get the time delay and the effort and sacrifice lower, the barrier to entry will be higher. So a lot of people will actually want, sorry, the barrier to entry will be also lower. So a lot of people will want to get in on that offer, because what you're offering is very, very valuable. Okay. For example, if you're going to, let's say, on this example, we will create, run, and pay for your ads to get your first 5 clients in the first 30 days, or you don't pay us and we will pay you X for wasting your time. So what I did here, let me just go over here. So in here I made it everything like effortless, right? So we mean us, right? We will create, write, and run your paid for and pay. Sorry, we'll create, write, run, and pay for your ads. So basically, we'll do everything they need to do to run ads to get them their first 5 clients. So okay, obviously we're just giving them clients for free. So we're paying for them. We're creating the ads. We're driving the customers into their doors. So we're basically doing everything here. Okay. And we're giving them a time delay, so 30 days. 30 days is the time they have to wait in order to get their first 5 clients, which is what we promise. Or they don't pay us anything. So we're obviously putting here a guarantee. Okay, so this is our guarantee. And not only they will not pay us anything, they will actually gain X amount of, let's say, dollars, or like more time or service for wasting their time. So basically they have nothing to lose and everything to gain from this deal. Right, so this is why it's such a good offer. So again, we use the dream outcome, likelihood of achievement, time delay, and effort and sacrifice in this offer. Okay, let's continue. Make sure you before we continue, make sure you actually create your offer. Okay, so we can drive leads. So this is the next one, driving leads. So how we drive leads? We create a lead magnet to make your customers aware of the problem by giving them a part of the solution, doing a trial so we can test it out, or making them problem aware. Okay, let's look at each one of them. So a free trial can be, we can do a 10-day ads creation and management to attract leads. So we can do 10 days free trial where we actually do, as we said, all the work for them. This is a lead magnet. Okay, so let me just go back for a second. So what we did over here is we created an offer, right? But now we want to promote our offer. So before we actually present that offer, we want to create a secondary offer, which is the lead magnet. Meaning this is something that we're going to give away completely for free in order to get customers in the door, because they don't know us, they won't trust us. So even if we say we're going to give them everything for free and we're going to do everything, they don't even want to spend their time on us, okay? So we have to prove ourselves. And if we don't have a massive proof, like as I said here, likelihood of achievement, if you don't have thousands of people who already know you, or already know that you are good, or you can't like prove it, so the next best thing is to create a lead magnet. So what type of lead magnets we have? We have a free trial, as I said, a part of the solution, and a problem-aware lead magnet. So for creating the lead magnets, we can do a free trial, which is we can do a 10-day ad creation and management to attract leads. So we actually create them, the ads themselves, and we manage to attract leads. So basically, we do everything that we said we do on this offer, but in here we're just giving them everything for free. They don't have to sign up to anything. They can just get it, maybe just get their email and phone number, so we can run their ads for them. Okay, just basically do everything for them for 10 days. So in here, what we want to do is we actually want to create tiny successes for them, okay, in the free trial. So they actually feel more engaged and they want to continue with our service. So in the first 10 days, we want to completely crush it, okay? So just give it your all, give it your best, just put a lot of work into it. Don't just be like, oh, they're not paying us, so I'm not going to invest much. No, just do everything you can in this because you want to completely impress them. So in the lead magnet. So this is the free trial option. You also have another option you can do, which is a part of the solution. In here, you can basically give them a part of the solution. So obviously, in the paid ads sense, you can create the ads. You need to do a lot of things in order to actually run the ads, right? You can need to create the ads themselves. You need to create the copywriting. You need to basically assemble everything in the ad manager. You need to manage the ads after you start running them, right? You need to see if they're converting or not. There's a lot of things that you need to do. So in here, what we want to do is like create the ads that convert for them for free, but the copywriting, the ads running, and the management is paid. So obviously in here, we're just giving them for free a part of the solution. So in this case, the part that is free is the creation of the paid ads. So we're just giving them the ads themselves. They can choose if they want to run themselves or if they want to pay for us, so we can write the copywriting and do the management for them. This is the part of the solution, lead magnet. The third one, which is make them problem aware. So in here, we want to show them the power of getting leads with paid ads and how it can help them scale their business. For example, a case study of another business just like them, educate them on the importance of ads and social media. So in here, we just want to make them problem aware. So we want to make sure they know why paid ads is so important and why it's so good. We may even want to do some sort of combination with a free trial, maybe just give them like 5 days of ads management and creation to just get them going, because they need to understand why it's so powerful and how they can benefit from it, because obviously we want them to pay us for that service. And lastly, this is just like something I want you to do after you watch this video, because I want you to actually get value from this video, not just like watch it through and just forget it. So create a PDF guide to educate them on ads running and converting clients through ads. Create a PDF on your service that you can send them, and they can DM you if they want a free trial or a PDF with ads already made for them. So these are basically the 3 options of PDF guides that you can make. I want you to create a PDF guide so you can actually start collecting leads and start getting, well, not just leads, but engaged leads, meaning people who are actually interested in you and not just like cold leads who don't know anything about you. So create a PDF guide, something for free that you can give away. Because obviously, even if it's a free trial, a part of the solution, or a problem aware, you need to create some sort of like value that you can actually exchange and give to them to educate them, and or maybe just show them what you're all about. Okay, so create a PDF guide. You can obviously choose between the 3 options I showed here. Let's get going. So convert with the lead magnet. So now we have the lead magnet. Okay, now we're going to convert with it. So how do we convert? So we use, obviously, as I said, we're doing it completely free, right? So use the lead magnet through social media to attract clients. This is going to be our tool in order to reach customers. So social media, obviously, it's free. You can post on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on TikTok, everything, right? So we're going to use that to our advantage. So we're going to use the lead magnet through social media to attract clients. So post on YouTube tutorial videos and explanation on running ads. Okay, educate people, drive value, show them why it's important, showing how it converts, obviously your niche. Create short videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels to get clients to DM you asking for the lead magnet. So obviously the more short versions are obviously less of educational, because you can't pass through much information through a 1-minute TikTok or even 2 minutes. So in here we want to do short form videos, so we want to drive a little bit of value but not too time consuming, because obviously we need to make it shorter for TikTok and YouTube Short and Instagram Reels. So just do 1 or 2 little bits that you can help to drive value, and then tell them if they want to hear more, they can DM you or leave a comment, and you can send them the free lead magnet. Okay, and this is how you actually get customers in the door, and sending them the lead magnet. They approve of the lead magnet, they try the free trial maybe you have, and then obviously if they feel like they like it, they will buy and pay you for your full service, right? So send them the PDF guide to get clients in the door and become engaged leads with your business. Provide value and over-deliver on it to close them into paying clients once you fulfill your offer and they want more. Grow your business. Okay, so now you have everything that, as I said, starting from scratch. We've started our SMMA journey. We've got an offer. We've got our lead magnet. We've got some leads. They started paying us. What do we do now? Now we grow. Okay, now we actually start the paid section. So up until this point, everything was free. From here, we're going to actually start into the paid stuff, because obviously right now we have money. Okay, we already have some clients paying us. So right now we're going to create our school community to nurture, educate, and grow and monetize your audience in an all-in-one platform where you can grow your audience, get them on a paid subscription, create connection, and convert them into high-paying clients over time by upselling. So in here I want to talk about School. School is an amazing platform. I use it to host my own community. It's one of the best platforms to host a community and nurture people, drive value, and basically provide as much help as you can to as many people all at once. So email your school community to convert more clients into high ticket and retain your existing audience as paying members of the community. So in School you can actually retain your members, because obviously you can have them paying on a subscription model, so they pay you every single month. You can upsell them into our high ticket services that you have on School. You have Classroom on School where you can actually teach people or create special services for people and just section them by levels or stuff like this. So there's actually a lot of variety that you can do in the School platform. Okay, I'm not going to get too much in depth into it, but just know that School is a very cool platform, and if you want to check more out, I will release and I'll put my community inside. It's free. Okay, you can just join and look all the videos, but I talk a lot about more there in that video, in the course I mean. So 3, provide value to your community in a one-to-many environment. Okay, and scale your marketing agency in a brand new way in 2025. Obviously, School is still very, very new. It's, I think, 1 year old, maybe even less. So there's not that many people in School. It's not saturated, and obviously in terms of marketing agencies, there's not a lot that use it, and it's such an amazing platform to grow your community and basically grow your agency, because a lot of people have a lot of problem with churn and keeping clients and retaining clients, and this platform is just like so easy and so fun actually to grow, right? So if you like this video, make sure to share it with a friend. Don't be lame this new year. Share it with your buddy, share it with your partner, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really like making these videos for you guys, and yes, I think that would be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful new year, and I'll see you on the next one.